How to fix TikTok comments not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whenever you're trying to load a TikTok video but the comments is not showing, here are some of the fixes that you can try on. To get started with, you can clear the cache. For this, you will have to long press the TikTok icon. Then after tap on app info and then on storage and cache. After that, tap on clear cache option and you should be good to go. Likewise, you can do it from the app itself. For this, open TikTok and go to its settings. Scroll down until you find the option of free up space and then tap on clear for the cache option. Now that this is done, you can try and check the comments again. However, if it's still not working, make sure to turn on Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data. However, if the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the application. Now that you launch the app, it should probably work. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.